want to get your take on just this immunity hearing. This is a strategic move by the defense. They've been trying to get Marcus Wilson out of jail for a long time, even had to file to have the judge recused and removed from the case, the original judge. Now they have a new judge, and things are moving along a little bit quicker here. But an immunity hearing for Stand Your Ground, it's not a mandatory thing. It's something that the defense can do, put on this mini trial in hopes of having the whole thing thrown out, right, for self-defense. And the standard's different. In defense opening, they were talking about how it's a preponderance standard as opposed to a trial beyond the reasonable doubt, right?
Yes, that's exactly what was described, that it's 51%. That's a lot of how a lot of people summarize a preponderance standard. I find it to be fascinating, and what's also fascinating and a huge statement and an indictment on the criminal justice system is the portions of the tape where we were just looking at that, show that Stand Your Ground has been not applied evenly and equally to all of our citizens. No shocker that there are portions of the criminal justice system that are not as advantageous to Black defendants. But in this particular instance, either all people have the right to defend themselves or not. It's time for the criminal justice system to be accountable here, and it looks like it will be interesting to see how this scenario plays out.
It really will. I mean, it's going to be like the actual trial. I mean, I expect the defendant to take the stand. It's going to be all this sworn testimony. If in fact the judge doesn't grant him immunity, that will be used in a trial. So this is a big deal for this defense here, putting it all on the line for Marcus Wilson, hoping to get his charges thrown out. I want to talk about what the defense did today. They really started to call witnesses to focus on what they allege here, which is that Marcus Wilson was targeted because of his race, that he had a white girlfriend in the car with him. Let's take a listen to some of that testimony that was elicited from witnesses today.